Courage, you need to leave Hungary right now. Your life is in danger.
Wait, why? What's going on?
June told me that the Justice Party is about to kill you. I even saw a propaganda video posted on YouTube. You have to stay away from Niryaza in this country.
That's crazy! Where do you want me to go? I can't go back to Germany after that one hell of an ordeal I had there!
Just get up there, Courage! Please!
Sorry, dog. There's nowhere else to go. We have already found you.
What do you want from me? What is this?
We know you did it. We know everything about your disgusting plots. We know that you were the one who killed Uncle Ronald.
You don't understand! It was self-defense!
Self-defense, huh? Do you think Jamie Hudson would be furious if he knew that you were defending a young girl who was a rat?
You stay out of this. Vanaglama is innocent.
For working with the FBI, covering up Ronald's murder, and his 2 kids.
This clearly shows that all innocent human beings in this country are parasites. Parasites that betray the mafia and treating Jamie Hudson like dirt. You are the parasite, and now we'll do anything to wipe you out of our life.
No, wait. I'll do anything. I'll back off from the police and the FBI. I'm not gonna go anywhere near Jamie Hudson again, I promise.
It's too late for that. You have completely betrayed not just the Justice Party or Money Union, but also the whole world. Now it is time to end it all.
Say your prayers, stupid dog.